Welcome to my channel Fun Learn with Tia. Today we are going to solve the paper of SOF ICSO International Computer Science Olympiad 2025 to 26, Class 5 Set B, which was held a few weeks back. So this is our first section, logical reasoning. Our first question is, read the given information carefully and answer the following question. Point 1. Ankit and Varun like red and blue colors. Point 2. Neha and Akash like blue and green colors. Point number 3. Neha and Ankit like pink colors. Who among the following likes all colors except green? Here we can make a table. So here we will write the short form of the names. So Neha, Varun, Ankit and Akash. So Neha likes blue. So this will be blue, green, pink and red. So Neha likes blue and green colors. She also likes pink color. Next, Varun likes red and blue colors. So red and blue. Ankit likes red, blue and pink. So red, blue and pink. And Akash likes blue and green color. So now we can see except for green, Ankit likes every single color. So correct answer is option D, Ankit. Second question. Select the correct mirror image of the given combination of letters and numbers. So the first method is you can draw this hole like 6, then 9, so that it is correct. So the correct option is answer B. Question number 3. Select a figure from the options which will complete the pattern in the given figure. So 1P. So on the top there is 1 and in the right figure the 1 is mirrored and in the bottom figure there is P and there is the triangle that is colored on the right side, but this colored triangle then went to the diagonally up one. So here also the uncolored triangle will go here. So we know that this triangle will not be colored over here and this will also not be colored because here it is not colored. And P will be mirror image. So P will be written like this. Now which option is like that? P is written in a mirror image and there is nothing in the triangles. Only option C. So correct answer is option C. For question number 4. Select a figure from the given options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts. Option A is N. So we can trace all the possible paths, but we won't be finding any N like this. Option B is this figure. Now we can clearly see here that there is a figure like this. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. There is a certain relationship between the pair of terms on either side of this. Identify the relationship between the given pair and find the missing term. So M and J is equal to 46. Then PF is equal to what? So M, we will count the position where it comes in the alphabetic order. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. It comes at 13 place. So this will be 13. And J, it come 10th place. So 10. Now we'll add these both. 13 plus 10 is equal to 26. And 26 plus 20 equals to 46, which matches this rule. Now let us try it for P and F also. So P comes in place 16 and F is 6. 16 plus 6 equals to 22 and 22 plus 20 equals to 42. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following points is in the southeast of point N? So here we can make this, and we will write the direction north, east, west and south. Southeast means between south and east. So this is southeast. Now this same direction will take N as the center. Now in this same direction we can see that point L comes here. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 7. Some letters are coded in a certain code language as given below. Letters D, E, L, I, N, P, T, S, Q and A. And codes are a few symbols for each. For island, we have to find out what will be the code for island. I is equal sign. S is this thing. L is percentage sign. A is not equal to sign. N is plus sign. And D is asterisk sign. So this option we have to see if it's there in any of the options. So in option B, it's exactly the, in option D, it is exactly the same. So option D is the correct answer here. Question number 8. Neha went for cooking classes only on even date except the dates which are multiple of 4 in April 2006. How many days did she go for cooking classes in that month? So in April there is 30 days and they are saying she only went on even days. So all odd days are her holidays, and except the dates which are a multiple of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, whatever number that come in the fourth table are not there. So she went on 2nd, on 6th, on 10th and on 14th, on 18th, on 22nd, on 26th and on 30th, because the rest of the even numbers are a multiple of 4. So that was the holiday as they said. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 9. Arrange the given words as they occur in a dictionary and select the correct option. Friend, fright, fringe and Friday. So we can see all of them starts with F. F-R-I. So we will go to the fourth letter. So Friday, friend, fright and fringe. Why? Because D comes before E comes before G and G comes before N. So according to the A to Z sequence, we have to see which fourth letter comes first and which comes last. So this comes first, this comes second, this comes third and this comes last. So the correct option is option number B. 4, 1, 2, 3. Question number 10. Count the number of cubes in the given figure. For this, there is a trick. You don't have to manually count, and if you manually count, you will miss the cubes that are holding the figure. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So we can say that this whole block is 9 cubes. And how many such blocks are layered up? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. So this huge block is 36 cubes. Now we have this block. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So this block is 9 squares. Then we have 1, 2, 3. This line is 3 squares. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4 cubes. So 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48 and 48 plus 4 is 52. So the correct answer is D. Next section is computer science. Question number 11. What is the most common way to discover a media type? A. By file extension. B. By file location. C. By file name. And D. By file pixel. So the correct answer is A. Question number 12. Which of the following cannot be considered as a hardware of the computer? So these two can be touched. So they are hardware. But this is program, it cannot be touched. So it is a software. So it cannot be considered as a hardware. So correct answer is A. Question number 13. Which of the following devices is or are able to accept input as well as produce output? First, headphones. Second, projector. Third, keyboard. And fourth, monitor with the touch screen. So the first one, it takes output from the microphone, this one, and it releases output from the headphone. So option 1 gives us takes input and gives us output. Option 2, projector, it only displays the information. Option number 3, it only takes input from the keys that we press. Option number 4, it is taking input from our hand movement and it's showing the output from the screen. So option number 4 is also dual device. So 1 and 4 only. Option number C is correct. Question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct about volatile memory? A. It permanently stores open operating system files. B. It is only used during the boot process. C. It provides temporary storage for running programs. D. It is unaffected by sudden power loss. So volatile memory is RAM, and A, B and D are not correct according to RAM. Only C is the correct thing which RAM actually does. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following statements holds true about the web browser? Statement 1. It is a computer program or an app that helps you to open and view website on the internet. Statement 2. It can be used to show a list of websites you visited earlier. So statement 1 is correct. It helps us to open and view websites on internet. Statement 2 is also correct because there is a feature called history in our web browser. When we click on it, we can see all the website we had visited earlier. So option C is the correct answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 16. Which of the following options is not found in the paragraph group of Home tab in MS Word 2016? Option A is paragraph spacing, which is actually found in MS Word paragraph group. Option B is bullets, which is also found in paragraph group. Option C is highlight. This is not found in paragraph group, it is found in font style group. Option D is paragraph alignment, which is also found in paragraph group. So option C is correct answer. Question number 17. Which of the following file formats uses lossy file compression methods? MPEG, JPEG and MP3. So MPEG and MP3 only use lossy file compression methods. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 18. When using the in margin style for drop cap option in MS Word 2016, where does the first letter appear? Within the paragraph text, B inside the page header, C outside the paragraph text, D inside the page footer. So in margin style, the drop cap letter will be here. This is the margin and all the text will be here. So option C is the correct answer, outside the paragraph text. Question number 19. Identify the following. It is located at the top of the browser window in the address bar. It specifies the internet address of a file stored on a host computer or server connected to the internet. A. Website, B. Web page, C. URL, D. DNS. So URL is the full address of that web page or website. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 20. Which of the following represents a secure website address? A. http abc.com, B. https xyz.com, C. www.abc.net, D. file my computer. S represents secure, so B is the correct answer. Question number 21. Select the incorrect match with respect to an email. A. Reply. It allows you to send a reply to someone who has sent you an email. That is correct. B. Forward. It allows you to forward a message that you have received to someone else. That is also correct. Option C. From. It refers to a person who has sent the email message. This is also correct. D. To. It allows to enter only one email address at a time of a person who will receive the email message. No, in two option you can send it to multiple people at a time. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 22. Which of the following steps allows you to remove slide numbers from some slides only while retaining them on others in MS PowerPoint 2016? A. Disable slide numbering globally. This makes all of the slide numbers disappear. B. Header footer dialog box, uncheck slide number, apply to all. This also disappears all of the slide numbers. C. Remove the placeholder manually from specific slide layout. You have to do this because otherwise either all of them will be removed or only the title slide will be removed. So correct answer is option C. Question number 23. A or AND dash is a round flat disk that stores data like music, videos and files that uses a laser to read and write information. A. Optical disk, B. HDD, C. SDD, D. Floppy disk. So optical disk uses laser to read and write. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 24. Select the incorrect with respect to Windows 11. A. My computer used to see all the drives, folders and files stored on your computer, which is correct. Option number B. Windows Start button. Used to open the Start menu where you can find programs, settings and files. This is again correct. C. Control panel. Used to show or change settings like sound, appearance and how the computer works. This is also correct. Option number D. Used to connect your computer's language and time zone. This is wrong. So option D is correct. Question number 25. What is the use of the given icon with respect to MS Paint of Windows 11? A. It is used to resize and skew the selected image. B. It is used to change the height and width of the drawing canvas. C. It is used to add borders around the drawing. D. It is used to remove background of the drawing. So this option is used to remove background of the drawing. So option D is correct answer. Question number 26. Select the incorrect match with respect to MS PowerPoint 2016. A. Default view when you open a presentation. This is correct. B. Shows the slide in full screen without switching to slideshow mode. This is again correct. C. Displays only the text on your slide, not pictures or graphics. No, this is wrong. Option D. Shows one slide at a time with its speaker's notes below. Correct. So option C is incorrect, so it is the correct answer. Question number 27. Rearrange the given steps in the correct order to rename a folder on desktop in Windows 11. 1. Press the enter key on the keyboard to save the new name. 2. Click on rename from the menu that appears. 3. Right click on the folder that you want to rename. 4. Type the new name for the folder. So first we will right click, we will click on rename, we will type the new name and we will press enter key. So 3, 2, 4 and 1. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 28. Select the odd one out. A. .mov, B. .mp4, C. .jpeg, D. .svg. The correct answer is JPEG because it is an image format and the rest of them are video or vector graphic formats. Question number 29. How can you arrange the selected numeric data of a document in an ascending order in MS Word 2016? A. Home tab, sort group, click on AZ down, choose desired options, OK. B. Insert tab, data group, click on AZ down, choose desired options, OK. C. Home tab, paragraph group, click on AZ down, choose desired options, OK. D. Insert tab, paragraph group, click on AZ down, choose desired options, OK. So in MS Word, in home tab paragraph group, we can find this option. So option C is correct answer. Question number 30. A scanner is an dash and it is used to dash. A. Input device, send text to the speakers. B. Output device, print photos. C. Input device, copy images on text on paper or text from paper onto the computer. D. Output device, show videos on monitor. So correct answer is C. Input device, copy images from text or paper onto the computer. Question number 31. Which of the following domains is usually used for educational websites? A.com, B.edu, C.gov, D.net. So correct answer is option B, .edu. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a correct way to stay safe on a network? A. Use of strong passwords. B. Share personal information with strangers. C. Avoid clicking on unknown links. D. Log out after using shared computers. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 33. Which of the following devices allows you to use or access a hotspot? 1. Smartphone, 2. CPU, 3. Tablet, 4. UPS, 5. Laptop. So smartphone, tablet and laptop have the hotspot option. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 34. Which of the following is a type of wire that has two wires twisted around each other and also used to send signals like the internet or telephone messages between computers and other devices? A. Fiber optic cable, B. Coaxial cable, C. Twisted pair cable, D. HDMI cable. As the name says, two wires twisted around each other and in a pair. So option C is correct answer. Question number 35. What does EEPROM stand for? A. Electrically editable, erasable, programmable, read-only memory. That becomes 3 EEPROM. So that is wrong. Option B. Electrically erasable, programmable, read-only memory. This is the correct option. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 36. A teacher installed a software named Typing Master in a computer lab to practice keyboard skills for class 5 students. What type of a software is it? A. System software, B. Application software, C. Utility software, D. Both A and B. Because it is used for a specific task, it is application software. So option B is correct. Question number 37. Select the incorrect match. A. Windows is equal to system software. That is correct. B. Word is equal to application software. That is correct. C. This is equal to a utility software. This is also correct. D. Adobe is equal to a system software. No, it is an application software because it is used for a specific purpose. So D is our correct answer. Question number 38. Which of the following statements is correct about the device driver? A. It helps computer to browse the internet. B. It allows specific hardware devices to communicate with the computer. C. It stores files on the computer. D. It creates documents and images. So, device driver, option B is correct. Question number 39. Which of the following options will allow you to transform the given image 1 into image 2 and then image 2 into image 3 in MS Paint of Windows 11? So, image 1 has been rotated 180 degrees to form image 2. Image 2 has been rotated right 90 degrees to form image 3. So, option C is the correct answer. Question number 40. Unscramble the given letters and identify the statement which is correct about it. ATTEPLSR. So the word is platters. A. These are stacked on a cylindrical rod in a hard disk. B. It gives output on a paper. C. It does mathematical calculations and logical calculations in a computer. D. It is about the size of a postage stamp. So the option correct about platters is option A. So option A is the correct answer. Next section, information and technology. Question number 41. Which of the following technologies would you use to input data into the computer without touching it? A. Virtual reality. B. Voice recognition. C. Gesture recognition. D. Both B and C. So both voice recognition and gesture recognition we can input the data. So option D is the correct answer. Both voice recognition and gesture recognition can input data into the computer without touching it. So option D is the correct option. Question number 42. Which of the following apps supports the given features? Video calling, audio calling, exchange of stickers and audio files, exchange of photos and videos. A. Messenger. B. WhatsApp. C. Google Maps. D. Both A and B. Both A and B are satisfying these criteria. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 43. Identify the given image. A. Google Siri. B. Meta AI. C. Meta Platforms. D. Apple Intelligence. So this logo is of Meta AI. So option B is correct. Question number 44. The given logo is of dash. A. Instagram. B. Twitter. C. OneDrive. D. Dropbox. This logo is the new logo of Twitter. So option B is correct. Question number 45. Which of the following provides cloud-based storage services? A. Dropbox. B. Google Drive. C. OneDrive. D. All of these. So all of these provide cloud-based storage services. So option D is the correct answer. Last section, Achievers section. Question number 46. Which of the following statements holds true with respect to storage devices? Statement 1. A solid state drive SSD is a type of storage device that stores data using flash memory instead of the traditional spinning disks used in hard disk drives, HDDs. This is correct. Statement 2. USB flash drives have magnetic storage and consist of one or more spinning disks coated with a magnetic material. USB flash drives are very small and they do not have platters. So this is wrong. So option A, only statement 1 is the correct answer. Question number 47. After inserting a smart art graphics, which of the following options can be used to add more shapes elements to it in MS PowerPoint 2016? A. Home tab, Smart Art Tools group, add shape. B. Smart Art Tools design app, create graphic group, add shape. C. Smart Art Tools format tab, insert group, shapes. D. Insert tab, Smart Art Tools group, add shape. So option B is the correct way. So it is the correct answer. Question number 48. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to networking? 1. Man is larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. This is correct. 2. WAN is a type of network that connects computers over a larger geographical distance. This is also correct. 3. PAN is a type of network that connects computers or devices within range of an individual person. This is also correct. So option D, 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Question number 49. What is the function of the options shown here which is found under the File tab in MS Paint of Windows 11? A. It is used when we want to set a drawing made in Paint as a desktop background. B. It is used when we want to change the height and width of drawing canvas. C. It is used to send the drawing as an email attachment. D. It is used to add borders around the drawing. So this is used to set the drawing as a desktop background. So A is the correct answer. Question number 50. Match the following with respect to MS Word 2016. Column 1, column 2. Column 1A. Shift plus end. 1. To select one character to the right. 2. To select from current position to the beginning of a line. 3. To select the word from the left. 4. To select from the current position to the end of the line. So, A is to 4. B. Control plus shift plus left arrow. To select one character to the right, to select from the current position to the beginning of a line, to select the word to the left. So, option B is to 3. Option C. Shift plus home. To select one character to the right, to select from current position to the beginning of a line. So C is to 2. D. Shift plus right. To select one character to the right. So D is 1. So 4, 3, 2 and 1. So A is the correct order. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Bye. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel.